President Muhammadu Buhari has inaugurated the 2021 Armed Forces Remembrance Emblem and Appeal Fund, asking Nigerians to desist from actions and comments that could jeopardize the unity and progress of the nation. News Agency of Nigeria reports that the president performed the event shortly before the commencement of the weekly virtual meeting of the Federal Executive Council, FEC, at the Council Chamber, State House, Abuja. According to Buhari, this year's occasion reminds Nigerians of the need to guard jealously the unity of the nation, which was won at a great cost. The president restated that his administration would continue to forge useful alliances with neighbors and friends in the international community for the total defeat of security threats affecting the sub-region. He therefore called on Nigerians and other residents in the country to procure and wear the emblems with pride in order to identify with those who laid down their lives for the peace and security of the country.
We honor the memory of our gallant officers and men who have paid the supreme sacrifice in order to keep the country united as one entity. The nation remains grateful for the efforts and sacrifice of the armed forces, especially in the fight against insurgency and other internal security challenges confronting Nigeria. The Armed Forces Remembrance Day, or Veterans Day as it is known in some parts of the world, is an important event observed in commemoration of the end of the Second World War. In Commonwealth member countries, the Remembrance Day is observed on the 11th November yearly. However, for us, the date was changed to 15th January annually to accommodate the commemoration of the end of the Nigerian Civil War. Our dear nation has witnessed numerous security challenges since independence. These security threats have undermined Nigeria in the areas of trade, investment, and the economy, education, health, as well as agriculture, and frequently denied Nigerians the freedom of movement. The reality is that the spouses and dependents of these breadwinners in most cases experience trauma and deprivation. However, we can be of support to them to lighten their burdens, especially in light of the COVID-19 pandemic. I therefore call on all to spare a thought for them and take positive steps to come to their aid. To ensure that our veterans continue to share the comradeship that existed while in service and that their welfare is adequately catered for, the federal government establishes the Nigerian Legion as well as fully paid all pension areas of veterans. I encourage all to donate generously in support of our veterans and defendants of our fallen heroes.